Tigger, T-I-double-G-R, and being safe is what Tiggers like best. So please stay in your seat with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside, and grown-up types. Please being safe is what Tiggers like best. So please stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and being safe is what Tiggers like best. So please stay in your seat. Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside.
Fuera del vehículo y cuele a los pequeñitos. Chao por ahora.
One blustery day in a 100-acre wood, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite! Hang on tightly, Roo!
Happy Wednesday!
Ooh! Look, Mama, please!
We'll save you, Piglet!
First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious!
I'm Tigger! Right this way! Steal honey! Beware! Beware! Heffalumps and woozles! Heffalumps and woozles!
Heffalump is very confusing. Heffalump is and toozles, but it names of choozles. Before your eyes, you'll see them multiply. So be ready, because they come in for shivering size. Slime is what you got. You'll find that they love it, because they love so love the thing you prize.
What a wonderful dream!
Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up, Pooh!
Oh boy, it's your birthday!
It's time for your party, Pooh!
Hooray! Happy birthday! Hooray!
Happy birthday! Hooray! Happy birthday!
Hip, hip, hooray!
These are all for you, Pooh Bear.
Look at all Pooh's presents!
If you don't like my present, I'll take it back.
Tiggers just love giving presents.
Wasn't that fun?
Hi friends, welcome back. I hope you're now to